what's up guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're in East Dallas. We're pretty kind of in between the lower Greenville neighborhood and Lakewood neighborhood, but which is like 10 minutes away from downtown Dallas. We're only 10 minutes away from North Park Mall and about 35 minutes to DFW Airport. But with that being said, Sheila gives more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2024. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.1 baths. It's 2,818 square feet. It's a 1-car garage and 1 carport space. It's currently listed at $1,338,500, which is $475 price per square foot. And it's sitting on a 0.22 acre lot, which is 9,300 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. This house is pretty unique. Front yard, it's in the back, or the backyard's in front. I don't know. You guys decide. You tell me in the comments. But I want to remind you guys, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, that's Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also partnered with the #1 luxury broker in town. With that being said, Sheila, give us more information.
We already gave
said
that.
Okay. With that being said, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your seller or buyer needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.